Hi everyone, James Leach here. This is a Moodle course that I created, Physical Education and Health 101. It is a course that will be covering the 5 components of fitness. It is set up using various digital learning tools such as Web 2.0 tools, research documents, videos, and presentations. It is designed to create an all-inclusive, authentic learning environment. Each week is set up to cover its own component of the fitness. And as you can see here, they are set up in a similar format. So you have your overview, your lecture, and then a forum where you will discuss what is asked of you that week. So under the flexibility, if you were to click on the week 5 overview, it will take you to a page where it highlights the basic points and tips for the week, kind of what we will be covering, what we'll be going through. Right here in bold, you can see everything is due by Sunday at 11 p.m. Again, just highlighting that here, due by Sunday at 11 p.m. So from there, the student would then go to whatever lecture is that week. This week is a video lecture. The student would come here, read the little bit of an instruction, and then, for example, this week is, like I said, the video. And as you can see, the link for this video is live. It will play right on this page for the student. It's a YouTube video that is just embedded in.
A few years ago, I was bent over picking something up off the floor.
So they would watch that whole video, and then they would come back to the page here, and then they would go to what is Video 1 Forum. Here is where the student would create communication, discussion, back and forth with their classmates, answering some of their classmates' questions, providing a more thorough discussion, just kind of back and forth. Again, everything due by 11 p.m. on Sunday. Throughout this entire course, I made the 11 p.m. mark as well as the Sunday mark the consistent due date for everything. That way students aren't kind of guessing whether it's Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. From the very start, it is always 11 p.m. on Sunday. The next thing I want to show you with this course is the health component vocabulary. So students taking this course are going to be new students to physical education or exercise science. So there's going to be a lot of new terms for them. So as you can see here, there are several terms in here, some that I have already included, along with their definition right below it. So how this works is, as a student would be going over readings, watching videos, and they kind of come along a term that they aren't too familiar with or they don't really know the definition of it, you could come here, you could look for the term either by clicking on the alphabet here or just scrolling through. If you see it, awesome, you could get the definition right there. If you do not see it, I ask students at the beginning of the term to go look up their own definition and then add a new entry right here. So click on Add New Entry, and then this page comes up where you would type the term and then the definition, and then simply hit Save Changes, and it would pop up in the health component vocabulary dictionary, and then everyone can kind of learn as we go from there. So thank you for joining me. That is just kind of a walkthrough video of my Moodle course that I created, Physical Education and Health 101.